guys, welcome back to Toy Playset Adventure, guys. Today we're gonna open this new toy, guys. Wow, look at this new toy, guys. Wow, this is a pufferfish, guys. Yeah, this is a pufferfish. It's so cute. And guys, we're gonna open this toy. This toy is so cute toy. I like this toy so much, guys. And also gonna use scissors. I'm gonna use scissors, guys. I'm gonna use scissors. Oh, and this thing, but this is a playful toy. You know why? It can squish. What? It's so cute. Okay, we're gonna cut it now. I'm gonna cut now. I'm gonna cut it, my toy. I'm gonna cut my toy. Okay, guys. We're gonna cut this toy for a while. Okay. I'm gonna use my hands. It's too hard to cut with scissors. Oh my goodness. We just opened the pufferfish. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna get this trash away from us. Yeah, we're gonna get this trash away from us. Guys, look at this thing. I just get the pufferfish like, whoa, so squeaky. Guys, can you hear this? It's so squeaky. Guys, this is so cute. Look at that. Oh, look at the mouth. This is so cute. And guys, you know why there's a background? I just put a background. Guys, this thing is so cute. This is one of the cutest toy we ever have, guys. Hit the like button if you like it. It's so cute. It can move the tail too. Okay, guys, this is a pufferfish, but I have one pufferfish. It's old, and I don't like it. It's so ugly. Yeah, so ugly. Guys, we're gonna name this thing Puffy the Pufferfish. Yeah, guys, this is like my YouTube channel named Puffy, but my name is Tuna Fish now. Look at this thing. It's so cute. Whoa, it's so squeaky too. Whoa. Okay, guys, this pufferfish, this is one of the poisonous fish, guys. This is poisonous. But there's one big problem. Japanese and Chinese eat pufferfish, and what just happened? There's 6 people died. Yeah, because this pufferfish is very poisonous. Why you have to eat pufferfish? They're pretty cute. They're like one of the cutest thing. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to our bigger toys, guys. Let's go do our bigger toys. Okay, we got this hermit crab. This hermit crab is like a rainbow hermit crab. Why hermit crabs are rainbows? They're not rainbows. Okay. Great white shark. I have a lot of great white sharks today, guys. Look, this is the great white shark with a movable jaw. There's another one. This thing. But this thing is the most realistic creature because this can open the jaws. That's great. That's awesome. Whale shark. They're in the Philippines, guys. This thing is very realistic creature. Lobster. Guys, this is a red lobster. This is an old figure. It's a pretty old. Okay. Orca. This thing is pretty good because she have a movable jaw. Guys, you can see the fin. Coral reef, pink coral reef. Nice. Clownfish. Tiger shark. Tiger sharks are they're the most powerful sharks together with the great white shark. But the great white shark is the most deadliest creatures. You must be careful by the great white shark, guys. If you're in the ocean, don't swim by next to the great white shark because it can attack people. Sea turtle, pretty cute, but they're endangered species. Black tip shark, very cute, nice creature. Coral reef, crab, so old, but I just have 2 crabs. This one, but it's also old. Hammerhead shark, we just have 2 hammerhead sharks. That's a baby hammerhead shark, that's so cute. Blue starfish. I just saw them, guys. They're in the. I just picture it, but I just picture a blue starfish. They're in the Philippines. I just saw it in shallow waters. You can see them in shallow waters. Baby sea turtle, so cute. It's like a baby. Put the other sea turtle there. Penguin. Okay. Pretty, very cute creature. Baby great white shark. It's so cute. Look at this thing. Whoa. Sailfish. Very cute. Absolutely, they're very fast creatures. Yeah. Butterfly fish. Very old toy. Next we got blue shark. Guys, this is a blue shark. Blue sharks are very tiny. They're very tiny. they're like the smallest shark. They're the part of the smaller shark families. Okay. I have sardines. But this thing is broken. Why it's broken? Bluefish. Also known as buggies McGee. Look at this. Orange fish live in the coral reef. Baby whale shark, very cute. White tip whale shark. Why the eyes is huge? Is that a big eye shark or something? This is a buggies McGee shark. Okay, we have octonut creatures. We have the leafy sea dragon and capybara. Okay, 2 sea grasses. Very nice. Okay, we have 2 more creatures. Look at this. No, 3 creatures. We got the Gary Reef shark and the tuna fish. And guys, there's a pufferfish. Look. Guys, look at this. They're both the pufferfish, but this thing is so ugly and go to a very beautiful toy. Look at this thing. It's so cute. So cute. Look at this. Guys, which is your favorite? Is it this thing or this thing? Hit the like button. Which is your favorite? Okay guys, that's already okay, there's no more toys. Okay guys, that's already our today's video, guys. If you like this video, subscribe if you like this video. And this cute Puffy the pufferfish. We'll see you next time. See you. Bye-bye.